Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated tutorial on how to create talking animal photos in Talking Photos version 3. First of all, let me show you two versions of a talking animal video, version 2 versus version 3.
Hey guys, did you check the new Talking Photos version 3 update? It has been greatly improved, especially the singing and lip sync. This talking photo was created using the new version. You can check Anthony's tutorials to learn more.
You would have noticed that version 3, the talking animal photo has much more movements and gestures compared to version 2. You can still create talking animal photos using version 2, and you can check this tutorial at the end of this video, but I'll show you another option which I personally prefer. So I'm logged into my Talking Photos account. This is my home page. Click on Create Video at the top, and you'll see this pop up with these options. You can create talking, singing, and dancing photos, and I've created separate tutorials for each of these. Ideally, you choose this option to create talking animal photos, but in this tutorial, I'll choose this singing version 3 option. In this first step, you choose the style. You have 3 options here. I'll choose this one, and then click on Next. In step 2, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal or vertical videos. I'll choose the vertical option, which is 9:16 aspect ratio, and then click on Create New Character. In step 3, you generate the face of the character. If you're generating your character from scratch, you can use these drop-downs to choose the gender and choose human, 3D cartoon, or animal. And then in this box, you would enter your image prompt. In my case, I already have a character, so I'll just type in reuse the same image. And then down below, you can drag and drop your animal character here, or click on this button, which is what I'll do. I'll then navigate to my folder on my computer. I'll choose my image, and then click Open. So here is the uploaded image, and then I'll click on Generate. It'll then start generating the consistent character, so just give it a few seconds. This can sometimes take a little while, but just be patient. And as you can see, it did a pretty good job in maintaining the same character. And then click Next. In step 4, you need to choose the audio file. You can import your audio file from the computer by clicking this Import Audio button. You'll see this dialog box. Click on the text-to-speech folder, and then click on Upload File. Then drag and drop your audio file here. In my case, I already uploaded my audio, so I'll just select this one. And then I'll scroll down and then click Select. So here is the imported text-to-speech audio. And then I'll click Next. In the final step, you render your MP4 video. So give it a project name, and then click on Render Video. It'll bring you to this page, and then you can click on Go to My Videos, where you'll see the status of the video rendering. And then once completed, you can use these buttons to play, download, delete, or clone the project. And this one rendered in about 7 minutes. Now let me play the talking animal photo so you can see how it came out.
Hey guys, did you check the new Talking Photos version 3 update? It has been greatly improved, especially the singing and lip sync. This talking photo was created using the new version. You can check Anthony's tutorials to learn more.
So there you have it. You can get talking photos for a discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.